Good morning, Joy here. It is Saturday, December 28th, 2019. This year's almost gone, almost gone. We're going to be saying Happy New Year any minute. I've been running up and down the stairs, Hold on. Hot and fresh. Yes, we went to IKEA and we bought another one of those cubbyhole units. My other cubbyhole unit is 5 across and 5 up. This one's 3 across and 4 up, and I'm putting it in that corner over there to put all my jewelry on, because the bookcase that I have there now is like plastic, and I have so many boxes on it that it's sagging in the middle of all the shelves. So I decided I needed some more of those super strong cubby holes. But that's not what I'm here about. This is very, 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 very important. Perk up your ears. All of you ladies that want to make the cowl neck top, please listen to what I'm going to say. It's very important. You do not have to have the Fit Nice system by Judy Kessinger in order to make the cowl neck top. I even talked to Judy yesterday via email. She's a very, very nice lady. You all ought to watch her videos. She's got my personality. She's super happy, super friendly, super fun. And that's what you people say about me, so I'm assuming that's my personality. But she has tons and tons and tons of videos. Just go to YouTube and search Judy Kessinger. It's K-E-S-S-I-N-G-E-R. Judy Kessinger. Let me hold it up close so you can see it. And of course there's a light bulb shining directly on it. Let me turn that off. Wrong light. Oh, it's from the ceiling. Sorry guys. I think one of those is her daughter. I don't know who the other girl is. And are they wearing the Dondi top? No. But they're wearing 3 tops that were made with her pattern system. Okay? This is called the master top, and this is what you would call the pattern. Okay? She has a master top pattern and she has a master pants pattern. The way she makes her pants is brilliant. I bought it. I learned how to do that. Make the top extra long, pull it up, get it where you want it, put the elastic around it, and then mark it. That's her. Learned that from her. Very, very nice lady. She's so much fun. She calls herself the doctor of education or something. She has a little white coat on. But anyway, when you're all saying, we're going to buy the pattern, going to buy the pattern, going to buy the pattern. This isn't really a pattern. It's a pattern making system. And when you buy it, she likes you to buy her book. This book is $100. I know you aren't wanting to spend $100 to make this top. Some of you may not mind it. I did it. This book comes with dozens and dozens of different patterns you can make with this. Ways you can change it and turn it into a different top. It's brilliant. It's just brilliant. She's educated, home ec teacher, or let me see what it says, designer, educator, and president of Fit Nice System. Okay? So, I'm going to show you what you get. Now, when you buy this, she gives you a web address in it. And that web address will download a whole bunch of stuff for you. When you buy this is about $35 if you just buy this. And then you can go to that, what does it say? Below is a URL link for the master top instructional video as well as the PDF printable documents. Okay? And I printed them all out and I have them in a folder somewhere. Okay? So you get the website. You don't get this book. And this is what comes. You cannot get simpler than this, people. Very, very, very basic. This is the front. This is the back. This is the sleeve. Very, very basic. Okay? So that is what you'll get if you buy her pattern. But this is just a basic, simple starting place where you Start with this to change it into all of these different looks. You can see these ladies on the front. A whole bunch of ladies that are all wearing different styles. Made with this easy. Now, Judy knows. She knows my name. She's sick of hearing from me, I'm sure, about bust darts. The first thing I did is said, where's the bust dart? Why is there not a bust dart in this thing? So she said it's just made to be a simple, full, relaxing top, okay? If you're not particular and wrinkles here and there don't bother you, hey, you can make it in way less time than even I make it. You will love it. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ladies love it. Go watch her on YouTube. She shows herself in some of the classes. So this is Judy Kessinger. This is the Fit Nice system. However, Judy emailed me last night and she said that Dondi top can be made with any t-shirt pattern. You don't have to have this to do this top. All you have to have is a T pattern. A front, a back, and a sleeve. So I was in bed last night on my computer, as I always am, with my wired earbuds because the wireless ones haven't gotten here yet. And Jerry's building the new unit, so you're going to hear hammering in the other room. I Googled free t-shirt patterns. Do it. Just Google free t-shirt patterns. Oh my gosh, so many of them come up. But this one was the first one. And it's at what's called doitbetteryourself.club. Enter. You don't have to hit .com, .org, .anything. www.doitbetteryourself.club. Go there, click on free patterns. There's a bunch of free patterns there. And click on the ABB. ABB stands for anything but basic. Click on ABBT, and it's a free pattern. And it's PDF. Very simple, front, back, and sleeve, and it comes with like 4 necklines. Let me see, I wrote it down. It comes with 4 sleeves and 3 necklines. It's a great pattern. And we can take that pattern and we can make what's called the Dondi top out of it, okay? So you don't have to spend $100, although you may want to, like I did. You will love this. It's lots of fun, lots of fun. Look at these things on the back she made. Look at those. Sorry about the light. Those all came from that simple front back sleeve. So, it's an awesome system. Now I take it and I put a bust dart in it. And I move the bust dart down into the bottom to make it more full. And so you don't have to sew a bust dart. That's what I do. So I'm going to show you that. I can't show it to you today. I've got to get in there and help Jerry with that cabinet. I've got to unload all these jewelry boxes from the cabinet in here. But I wanted to tell you, hey, whoosh, put on the brakes. Put on the brakes. Let me tell you more about what we're going to do before you go out there ordering a whole bunch of patterns, okay? I've got to go for now, but I'll be back soon.